don't time yet. I want just to start by saying that I need to disclose that I have a very bad injury in my mouth and my lip is very swollen and it might bleed if it bleeds again. Just wanted to share that if I say one or two words that are not clear, this is the reason. Okay, I got this out of the way. Tonight, I'm going to talk about something very interesting called biomimicry, mimicking nature. It's all about learning from nature how to use its ideas in smart ways to solve our problems. Animals and plants have been around for a long time. They have adapted, evolved, and figured out some clever mechanisms. We can learn from them how to use their clever ideas and make our lives much better. And we did. Biomimicry is a discipline that is unique and it works in opposite way to every other science. If we face a problem such as the COVID epidemic, we go to the lab and we try to create a cure or a vaccine. If we want to innovate an atom bomb or a driverless car, we research it, we make experiments, and we try to create it. We have a problem and we find a solution. Biomimicry works completely different in the opposite way. First, we have the solution and only then apply to a problem. We notice a phenomenon in nature and we say, wow, we can apply this mechanism to such and such problem or make this process more efficient. Best way to demonstrate it to you is to bring a few examples. We all hate termites, but believe it or not, we can also learn a lot from them. Their nests in the desert are a very complex system of ventilation, which has a stable and comfortable environment despite the extreme hot weather, temperatures, and environment outside. By mimicking their design, architects can create buildings which regulate their own temperatures, and this building will be energy efficient and reduce waste. Or think about birds. One like the kingfisher. It's a bird that can dive into water without making a splash. Engineers looked at how they do it and created less air resistance and made super fast bullet trains that don't make noise. Have you ever seen a lizard climb up a wall? They can stick to surfaces very well. Scientists learn from them and develop new kind of surgical bandages that minimize scarring. Spider webs are incredibly strong, flexible, and lightweight. Researchers are studying its properties to create all kinds of materials for different purposes, such as bulletproof clothing and sutures for medical surgery. When we have a problem such as climate change, or not enough natural resources, we can look at how nature handled these challenges and come up with real smart solutions. Airplanes, of course, are one of the most obvious examples of mimicry of birds. The shape of the bird, the way it uses its wing, the way it lifts up, the way it glides through the air. We looked, and all these details were studied very meticulously and copied in modern airplanes. We learned efficient design from Beehive. We learned underwater sonar technologies from dolphin and whales. We create antibiotics and penicillin from fungi. We learned about solar panels from leaves, and the list goes on and on. Learning from nature gives us the opportunity not just to innovate smart solutions, but also to be harmonious with the planet. After all, we humans are also part of nature. So next time you see a plant growing or a bird flying, remember that nature has amazing ideas that can make our world much better for everyone.